Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, selling today I'm coming to you with a no makeup look. Super easy. You're good to go. You don't need to get carried away or too much effort. It's an effortless makeup look. So yeah, the only thing that was a bit bold, it was a wing liner, but other than that, not too much drama. So yeah, all the products I use are going to be listed down below. So firstly foremost, I'm going to be starting to do my brow, but I'm going to skip this part because you guys have seen me do this. Okay, just enjoy. So guys, for my eyeshadow base, I'm going to be using the Remake concealer, the one I used to clean my eyebrow. I'm just going to apply that on my lid and blend it out with my concealer brush. I'm going to be taking this BH Cosmetic fluffy brush. I'm just going to dab it for extra matte for not creasing. So for eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be taking this BH Cosmetic Royal Affair palette. I'm going to be taking this neon green right here, lemon green. I'm just going to dab that all over my eyelid. I'm using the Sephora brush to do this. I'm going to be taking a small round pointed brush. I'm taking this kind of skin tone shade. I'm just going to blend out the edges very softly. I'm only using two eyeshadows, gently blending the edges out. Okay, because this is an effortless makeup, no makeup look. With that being said, I'm just going to blend my life together like I always do. Okay. So now I'm pretty much done. I'm super happy with the way it turned out. To line my eye using the Maybelline gel liner. When you're doing your wing liner, when you notice that at the beginning it was a bit long, so don't just clean it, just try to adjust it to your own satisfaction. Okay, and I'm going to be applying mascara. This one is Roller Lash Mascara by Benefit. And for lashes, I'm going to be taking this Emda lashes. I'm just going to apply that, and then I go ahead and do my face off camera. So guys, we are back. Our face is pretty much beat. Less foundation, less highlight, less contour. Okay, so moving forward, taking that the same shade, the one I used to blend out the edges of my eyeshadow, I'm just going to take a small Street Technique brush just to blend out on my bottom lashes and go ahead and apply mascara as well. Very tiny bit. I don't need too much drama. On the Maybelline lip liner, I'm just going to line my lips around. I'm going to be taking this Loreal Ultra Matte lipstick. The thing I like about this lipstick, guys, this liquid lipstick, the scent is so amazing. It's so natural. There is no so much intensive smell. That is why I always love to smell it before I apply it on my lips. So I'm really loving it. So for lip gloss, for a bit of shine, I'm going to be taking this Big Creative Makeup lip glow. This one is a light nude. So for you not to get rid of the lip color, just dab very tiny bit and massage your lips together. So I'm just going to go ahead and set my brow with the Abh brow gel. I'm going to be spraying my face with the all-nighter setting spray by Ebony Decay. We are pretty much done. Voila. What do you guys think? What are we thinking? What are we not saying? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. Take a love, ciao. Mwah.